get lonely too.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I go by Cersei, but the business I will be starting, I decided to name it Bad Habit Press, and I'm going to be doing press on nails and making them look like, the salon type of nails. But I did do mine. These are gel X, by the way, but because I was learning gel X, and I think I want to be a gel X nail tech. So, in the future, hopefully you guys would love to book me, and I'm near your area, and I can do your nails for you. But I've had these on for about 2 weeks now. I did post them. I don't know if I posted them on my makeup page or my nail page, but yes, I have done makeup in the past as well. I'll insert some pictures on the screen somewhere. But I'm bored of these, and I was just trying out Gel X. They have been staying on. As you can see, there's no lifting or anything of the sort. So I think, well, not I think, but I know I can do Gel X. Now I'm going to probably do another Gel X scent. I think that's what I want to do. If not, I'll probably just do Polygel. I definitely have no idea if I want to keep these or just go ahead and do these. I'm just going to figure it out. That's the point of me taking this design off right now, is to see if by the time I'm done with taking this off, if I'm going to want to do that or not. Don't ask me why I do not have a dust collector. I don't know why I have put that off, but I do, usually keep a mask on whenever I'm doing this, because obviously look at all these, look at all this, these particles and whatnot. But I'll probably get one in the next couple weeks. I need to not keep putting it off. I just keep doing that. I don't know why I'm doing that. Like, oh, well, I can get it next time. And let me tell y'all why I irritate myself. I did all that and shaved all this off, right? Because I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just do a fill-in, whatever, do the same sides and stuff. And I low-key don't want to do that anymore.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can rate, because this is some good glue. This is the glue that I use, guys. This is not sponsored, by the way. Obviously, I'm just starting out. Maybe one day. This is a nail glue that I use. Top tier, 10 out of 10. It is something you have to soak off. These are not budging. They're on there fairly good. I use this all the time, even for rhinestones rhinestones and what is it? Brain, please help me, charms. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm getting old, y'all. I have a bunch of gray patches in my hair and stuff. It's fine. It's totally fine. It's fine. We're good. It's fine. Jump scare. I'm just kidding, guys. I soaked it in acetone, and I'm just getting impatient. It'll be a lot better than this if I actually just sat and did it for the time frame I'm supposed to. But yeah, I'm taking these off because I want a longer size and stuff like that. Trimming my nails because my nails grow fast, and it's just that's cool, I guess. But as you can see, my nails aren't damaged from doing the method I just did. I know a lot of the actual licensed nail techs are probably gonna try to claw at me, but my nails aren't terrible. I'm not even done doing the cuticles and everything else. Okay, nails are off, and I do want to use these. I believe I got these from Temu. What irks me about these is that the numbers are on the back. Who does that? So I have to remember, it's so weird. Zero goes from this. I'm so used to zero being right here, zero, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 11. But no, it's on the right side. It's zero from here, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, see, I already effed up. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I lied. No, it's 0, 1, 2, and then it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is so ghetto. Team, why? Okay, now that I got my nails pretty much almost prepped, I did put alcohol into this because obviously I ran out of the dehydrator and alcohol does act as a dehydrator. So this is what I do now. I just do this. Put it exactly like the other one and call it a day. Okay, I don't know if anyone else deals with this, but the way that I feel like some tips do not fit me all the way. This is literally size 0, like the very first, the biggest one. I feel like I'm just being OCD. I guess it's not, it is almost to corner, but at the same time, but I do think I like this size or in this length for now. And obviously, if I just don't want it, I just trim them. I change my nails often because I get excited to do different designs and to learn different things. But we're going to go with these. They're medium. Almond, I believe, are the nail is the nail shape. We're living in a almond apocalypse. I've noticed. Camera, please don't fail me. Okay, there we go. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be using this glue. This glue is like literally from TikTok. Very nice consistency, and it does have your nails on there, like on there. It's my favorite glue, like ever. So I'm just gonna show you guys like a couple of examples of it. Just put like a little bit at the tip right there. And then I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to go all the way here, and I usually just do this, like kind of, why is my camera doing this to me? Usually just kind of do this and like cover the nail. And then I just kind of do that. And then if there is any excess around the cuticle area, I just kind of like wipe it. It's really not a big deal for me. And then I cure. Just going to show you guys one more time how I do it. Just put like a little bit at the tip right there. Obviously, I'm flipping it over. And we're going to just drag it down. And then make sure it goes corner to corner. Slowly press down. And then we're going to cure. My favorite part. Oh snap, click clack, she's back. Click clack, she's back. Click clack. Okay, I'm being dramatic, but now that I have all of these on, I'm actually going to cure them for 60 seconds now. And my bigger lamp, I just use like a little, but and this bigger one over here to the side. Okay, I got them cured now. I'm also now going to go ahead and take this drill. You know what? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Don't do it. But I'm just going to go ahead and do the cuticles just to seal them. This is one of the things I do to seal my gel X. I just kind of go, and if there is any excess glue, I just take it off of the cuticle right here. And then after that, I do go with acetone, 100% acetone, and then seal it even further. And that's usually how you can get your gel X to stay about 4 weeks, maybe 5, if you take care of them, obviously. Okay, now that I went ahead and did the cuticle area, I'm going to go ahead and seal. I put alcohol on this instead of acetone. I cannot stand myself. Please. All right, take 2. I got my acetone. Hello? I'm just gonna go ahead and seal it with the acetone on where the cuticle area is. Okay, I'm just gonna buff out my nails because I don't want the shine on it. So this is what I'm just going to be doing. I don't know where my buffering is at. So this is what we're gonna use. I just bootleg everything. If I don't have it, I will make a way, you know? I don't know if that's like a black person thing or it's just like, we've been through this before type of thing within somebody. So very innovative, very, very, very innovative. I really need to be. My nails are all buffed out, but I ain't messing with these clothes. Sorry. But yeah, guys, I'm going to actually start off with some white glitter on the bottom part of the nails because I don't know, that's just what I want to do. I have a vision. I got a plan, guys. I got a plan. Not going to lie, I had to do a food break. Yes, it's currently 6:20 p.m. Central Time right now, and I'm eating eggs and bacon. Fight me. Yeah. Okay, I am a liar. I do not have white glitter. Like I don't know where I thought I saw that at, but I think I'm just delusional or something. I don't know. But I'm going to be using this red dip that I got from Sally's like 20 years ago. I never used it because I just buy things and put it in a drawer and I forget about it. I'm also going to be using this white for these two. And then I'm going to put the dip on the thumb, the ring, and the pinky is what I'm thinking. Hopefully this turns out good. If it doesn't, I'm just going to stop the video and this will never get posted. So yeah, W. Okay, so how I'm going to do this is I'm going to go with this brand. I can't pronounce anything right. I'm not doing that to myself today. This is y'all first impression of me, mind you. So I think not. I'm going to go ahead and put that base coat on it. That way it can have something to stick to. And then we're just going to dip it. I have not done dip in like 20 years. So like, get the scoop. Let's not be annoying today, right? Let's just, yeah, there we go. You know, they give you this for a reason. You know, you don't have to totally dip. Got this. I got this. I got this. All right. Just gotta, yeah. I hate it. Hold on, give me 1 second, chat. So I forgot. I think you're supposed to do this. Is this what's supposed to happen? Oh, I think we did something, y'all. I think we did something. Look at it. Look at it. I think we did something now. Oh, just kidding. Okay, so that does not look bad. Does not look bad. Do it on the ring finger now. And I hope that this turns out good. Ooh, hopefully this turns out good. If it does, I'm gonna go cry in a corner. And like I said, you guys will never see this video, so you guys can't document like my failures, you know. Okay, now I'm going to do the pinky. Let's hope I don't stab the wrong thing. I've been doing that this entire time, and I have to like redo it with the base coat. I'm just making, I did it again. That's what's up. That's what's hot in the streets. I just keep doing whatever I'm doing, you know. Okay, I got the fingers that I wanted. I am going to go ahead and, since it's sitting here, do the white, and then I'll cure all of it together because that's just how I do things. I don't know. I've been doing this for a minute now, and I kind of want to go play the game. So I'm just gonna do the white. And yeah, give me just a second. I like this watch. I like this watch. I can't say what I'm going to say because I feel like children might watch me at some point. And I have to be appropriate. So I would not be having their parents, you know, look at the screen like, why are you watching her? Yeah, no, not gonna be me. But for my adults, the grown women, I'm pretty sure you probably can imagine what I was about to say. I like this white color a lot. Yeah, I love this color. I love this type of white, especially on my toes. I think what I want to do is put another coat of this white on both of these fingers. It's because I'm not really going for like a super transparent design for the index and the middle finger. Normally I probably would have just did just the white by itself and, you know, as a base, but not today. Because I'm going to put the cherries on these as well. And I'm also debating if I want to go ahead and add, you know, the red cat eye as like a tip. Like as a French tip. I think that'd be nice. Okay, I think I want to try having red cat eye as like the tip or like a French hello. Okay, I got it. Okay, anyway, so I think I'm going to do the red cat eye from Muddlelands. This is what the cat eye looks like. I might. We're going to see. It is a darker red from this, so I'm going to see if I like that. I'm also going to put on my little... Yes, perfect. Yes, perfect. Dab that on there. Dab, dab. Yeah. I'm going to attempt to do a French tip. And we're going to just sit here and see if it'll match. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna blame my boyfriend because he's watching me record this right now. So I don't remember exactly what I was saying here, but I'm pretty sure I said something along the lines of this is the final look, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. This is only my third attempt at doing Gel X, and I've been practicing Frenchies a little bit more since this video, but I will be putting out more content. Hopefully you guys, you know, relate to me, resonate with me, and you guys love my content. I will definitely be catching you guys in the next video. Bye.